A quick update on XCN. So XCN is still in the same spot here from our bull flag falling wedge that we drew. We ended up breaking it on that weekly candle here. And so far, the last 2 weeks now, these candles are getting stuck perfectly back testing that pattern here at this line here. So we're still holding the point 0.5. What we've been going over and saying on XCN is we could easily pull this down and just say that this thing's still, like it did in the past. Every time we start to break down, it's just a slow descent into a channel here, which it could very well be doing. So your last support right now for this thing to not fall off the table is this 14 level. If you take out 14 and we're stuck below that falling wedge pattern there, then easily drop 18 to 22% down to the 0.5 on the macro and the 618 after losing that 16 level at the 382. So low to the high. Not bullish until we get back over that level there, as we can see going to the 3-day candles here. But if we can manage to hold 5 at 14 and get back over 16 and then get back over 2 would be a breakout to the upside. And then once we get over the macro 618 at 2.2, I would imagine if we get back over 2 pennies once again, that's when XCN is going to have its little run once again to a possible new high, and the macro 786 that is at 5.5 pennies here. And we could have this thing move up if that support at 14 is going to hold 1.4, 280% move. So not a bad move up to 5.5 for that next big leg up on XCN. And then if you're in the camp of this thing going a lot higher, we do have that volume area up anywhere from 8 to 10 cents here. So that would be a decent move, about a 7x up to the 10-cent area. And then if we grind our way up here on XCN and we're holding over the 786 at 5.5 and around this this area here, which what could be in play if we get that run up, if we don't break down, of course, is we come up here, we hit and we back test and we go sideways for a while, and then we'll have this thing go to the moon at some point in the future. So for you guys out there that think or want this thing to go to $1, we do have the 1272 official retracement all the way up here at 87. And from today, that's a massive move. That's a 56x to the upside here. And then if it's going to tag $1, so be it. You can see $1 would take you up to about a 67x from where we are today in price. So we'll see how it plays out on XCN here. We're going to see if this is going to hold or if it is just a simple back test of our pattern and it's about to drop down to those lower levels here. So what are your thoughts? Comment down below. None of this is financial advice, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.